We're doing a ballpark taste test at Citizens Bank. We're starting off with the famous Chickpea and Pete's famous crab fries. Let's see. 7-8. Can't forget the cheese sauce.
All right, next we got Philadelphia Wood Ice, cherry flavored. 6-3.
Next, we have a burnt ends Philly cheesesteak from this random barbecue in left field. The word on the street, it's gas. That plays all day long, 8-8. Lastly, we have Wilt's famous strawberry special from Wilt's Berries. Chocolate strawberries and whipped cream. I am excited. 9-4, that is delicious.
Just finished that strawberry masterpiece. Take back everything I've said. 10 out of 10. Thank you.